What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to go another workspace in Slack. So let's get started. So guys, note that this is my iOS version, so I'm going to teach you how you can go to another workspace in Slack in iOS system. So what you do is guys, just open your Slack and you'll be having this home screen. Then just go over here your workspace button, and then you'll be having more workspace of yours over here. So I have 4 workspace, so I can choose any one of them to go to my another workspace. So let me just choose one of this like this, and then see, that's easy guys. That's pretty much guys, that's how you go to another workspace in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope it's useful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.